Hello everyone, my name is Sandeep. So today in this video I'm going to show you about GeoPy library. It is one of the library to work with geospatial data. It is used for geocoding and reverse geocoding tasks, which enables conversion of human readable address to geographic coordinates and geographic coordinates to human readable address. With GeoPy library, firstly I have installed the GeoPy library, and then after I have imported GeoPy, from the GeoPy I have imported Nominatum, which converts human readable address into precise geographic coordinates and vice versa. Then I have initialized the geocoder. Here it is important to note that Nominatum requires user agent field to be filled with a general idea of what you are using Nominatum for. Then coming to geocoding, it is a conversion of location description such as address or place name to geographic coordinates. Here I have geocoded a location that is our country Bhutan. It gives its address, latitude and longitude. Coming to reverse geocoding, it means it is vice versa to the geocoding, converting geographic coordinates into human readable address. Here you just need to simply give its coordinates, that is latitude and longitude, and it will give to human readable address. Then I have visualize a geocoded location with the help of Folium. I have given its latitude and longitude, and then it's a pop-up so that when I press on this icon it will pop up its address name. And then I have saved this map to HTML. Now let's go with plotting multiple geocoded location. For this I have mentioned all the Songhak name of all country Bhutan, then created a data frame using pandas, and then I have defined a function to get latitude and longitude for a given location. It takes a single parameter, that is location. Here the geocode function is called with the location appended with Bhutan. It will find the latitude and longitude of coordinates for location using Nominatum. Then it checks location variable is not null. That means if it is successful, it will return a tuple containing latitude and longitude coordinates of a location. Then if the location is not found, or if there is error in geocoding, it returns non to the latitude and longitude. Then it extracts latitude and longitude from tuple and assigns the column name latitude and longitude. Here the zip is used to unpack the resulting tuples into separate list for latitude and longitude. So here I have generated the data frame. You can see latitude and longitude for each Songhak. And then I have converted the data frame to list in order to visualize on the map. Then I have plotted all the Songhak. Here I have first initialized the map and then added markers for uh, each Zongkak using for loop and edit its pop-up. So when I press on that button, it will pop up its its name like this. And then I have calculated a distance between the Zongkaks. For that, I have used geodesic to calculate the shortest distance between 2 points. Then I have defined a function to calculate the distance between the two points using geodesic. Uh, it take uh, it takes the input from the user where you can calculate the distance between your given address, and then it creates a directory where keys are Songkok name and values are tuples containing latitude and longitude. It does this by iterating over sublist in valuelist and extracting the name as key and latitude and longitude as value. Then it checks if Songkok exists in latitude and longitude dictionary. If the input names are not found, it prints error message here. And if the Songkak names are valid, it calculates the distance between the two Songkaks. So here I have already inputted two Songkak name, Samduk Jongkar, and then here is the calculated distance. There is 202 kilometers between these Songkaks. Then I have calculated the distance with the help of map. Here it will create a drop-down with list of Songkak name and sets the default values of the drop-down to the first option list, and then sets start description that enable next to set the start description that text next to drop-down and enable the drop-down. I have defined a function. It takes two parameter a and b, which represent starting and ending Songkak. Then extracts latitude and longitude coordinates for start and end Songkak from the data frame. Then uh, create a approximate center of Bhutan with zoom start of 8. Then added a marker to the map for start and end Songkak and Songkak and then I have displayed a pop-up text showing Songkak name, and then creates a end path between start and end points of the map to visualize the path. Then I have calculated the distance between 2 points using great circle from the GeoPy distance distance module in miles along with the selected Songkak. So here I will select random Songkak. I will select Paro, and then I will select Thimphu. uh, Thimphu. So here the distance is calculated, and it's reflected here in miles. There are uh, nearly 19 miles between Paro and Thimphu.